In this video, you'll learn how to send Ethereum from your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer ETH to another address using your wallet interface. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the application is running, locate the menu icon represented by 3 dots on the right side of the screen. This is often referred to as the More option. Click on this icon to reveal. After selecting the More option, you will see a list of actions. Look for and select the Send option from this list. This action will take you to the sending interface where you can enter the necessary details for your transaction. Now, you need to paste the Ethereum address where you want to send your funds. This address should be copied from the recipient's wallet. When sure that the address is accurate, as sending to the wrong address can result in a loss of funds. After you've pasted the address, double check it for any errors. Next, enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to send. It's important to consider the current market value of ETH to determine how much you want to transfer. Additionally, keep in mind that you should have enough ETH in your wallet to cover the transaction fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Once you have entered the amount, look for the confirmation button labeled Confirm Send. This button will typically be located at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to initiate the sending process. You may see a loading indicator or a progress bar as your transaction is processed. Wait for confirmation that your transactions has been completed successfully before closing the app. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.